Hi everyone, welcome back to OC Avery. Today we are off to the Eastern Fed show in Bury St Edmunds in Suffolk. Now this is a British bird show, so you're going to be seeing British finches, British softbills, mules, hybrids and Norwich canaries. And this is a really weird show in that it's so late in the show season. A show season will usually last from November to February, but this show is actually in mid-March. So we're going to see birds quite differently today. They're going to be a lot more active, they're going to be a lot more fitter, and they're going to be very, very close to breeding condition, if not already in breeding condition. So do let me know your thoughts at the end of the video. So let's head off to the show. So I hope you enjoyed that look around the Eastern Fed show today. I certainly enjoyed it very, very much. And I must say, huge thanks and compliments goes to everyone behind the running of that show, because I felt it was super well organised, but more importantly, the venue was just superb. There was loads of parking, which can sometimes be a problem at these shows, but also the influx of natural light into that show hall was second to none. It meant you could really appreciate the beauty of all the British birds in there, especially birds like greenfinches, which don't quite show themselves as well in artificial light or darker show halls. Now, the bird that took best in show was a siskin hen. Absolutely superb bird, a worthy winner, of course, and it was just a very nice bird. That's the best I can say about it. It was just a very, very nice bird. And then also a big congratulations goes to a good friend of mine who is a novice. His linnet mule took best mule or hybrid across the whole show. So a novice won a very, very big special, which is absolutely superb with a linnet mule. So big congratulations there, mate. Very, very good result. A lot of people made the long trip into Suffolk for the show. I certainly did. It was about 3 hours for me, but it was well worth it to see all the birds that were there, to enjoy the show, and to catch up with a lot of old friends and, of course, those new friends. One person in particular I was talking to, we were talking about keeping bearded reedlings. So that might be something that you see on the channel after this coming breeding season, so do let me know in the comments section if you'd like to see bearded reedlings on the channel. Now, if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see more from OC Aviary, make sure to subscribe down below. If you did enjoy it, do smash a like on it, and make sure to follow us on social media for daily updates and close-up videos of all of the birds. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.